Friends, countrymen, investors, lend me your ears. The Indian stock market is throwing a bit of a tantrum, and it's making everyone nervous. We're talking about the Sensex and the Nifty, those big words that basically mean how's the market doing? Well, not so great, my friends. Imagine a roller coaster suddenly plunging. That's the Indian stock market right now. The Sensex took a nosedive, dropping by almost 1,000 points. And the Nifty? Let's just say it's not feeling so nifty anymore, down by about 300 points. Now, I know what you're thinking. Trevor, should I be hiding my money under the mattress? Hold your horses, my financially savvy friend. Before you start digging for that old sock you keep your emergency cash in, let's understand why this is happening. It's like when your favorite store has a massive sale. Everyone rushes in, things get chaotic, and you might even trip over a discounted blender. Similarly, the stock market is having a bit of a meltdown, and we need to figure out why. Remember, folks, knowledge is power. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty of this market mayhem and see what's really going on. Don't worry, I'll be your guide through this financial jungle. We'll decipher the jargon, decode the trends, and hopefully come out on the other side with our wallets relatively intact. So, what's got the market in a twist? Well, imagine a butterfly flapping its wings in, let's say, America. Now, imagine that butterfly is actually a giant bald eagle making some really loud noises about trade wars. That's right, my friends. The US of A is at it again with those tariffs, and the whole world is feeling the heat. This time, it's not just China. Mexico and Canada are feeling the love too. Global markets are like, dude, not cool, and everyone's a little on edge. Remember those FIIs we talked about? The big shots with the big bucks who love to invest in India? Well, they're getting a little fidgety. Some are even packing their bags and heading to China, where the market seems a bit more stable right now. It's like that friend who always ditches you for the cooler crowd at a party. Not cool. FIIs, not cool. But wait, there's more. The Indian economy has its own little drama going on. Some big banks aren't doing as well as expected, and that's making investors a tad nervous. It's like finding out your favorite restaurant is having a cockroach problem. You still love their biryani, but you're not sure you want to eat there anymore. And then there's the geopolitical tension. Remember those neighbors who are always arguing over who gets to park their car where? Yeah, it's kind of like that, but on a much larger and scarier scale. All this uncertainty is enough to make anyone want to bury their savings in the backyard. But before you reach for that shovel, let's talk about what you can actually do. Okay, deep breaths, everyone. I know it sounds scary, but panicking is not going to help. Remember that time you thought you lost your phone and then found it in your back pocket? This market dip might feel a bit like that. Chaotic and confusing, but not the end of the world. Now is the time to channel your inner Zen master. Instead of freaking out, let's look at this as an opportunity. Remember those amazing shoes you wanted but were way too expensive? A market dip is like a sale on investments. You can scoop up some great deals on stocks that are usually out of your reach. But here's the catch. You can't just go on a shopping spree. Remember that time you bought that funky shirt on sale, but then realized you had nothing to wear it with? Yeah, let's avoid that with our investments. This is where diversification comes in. It's like having a balanced breakfast. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, and you're good to go. So, how do we actually diversify? Think of it like building a house. You need a strong foundation, right? That's your long-term investment strategy. You're not looking for a quick buck here. You're building wealth over time. Then you've got your walls. That's your core portfolio of solid, reliable companies. These are the blue chip stocks, the ones that have been around forever and are likely to weather any storm. Now for the fun part, the furniture. This is where you can add some spice to your portfolio. Maybe you believe in renewable energy, so you invest in some solar panel companies. Or perhaps you're a tech geek who loves the idea of self-driving cars. The point is, diversify your investments so that even if one sector is down, others can pick up the slack. Look, I'm no Warren Buffett, but I do know this. The stock market is like a roller coaster. There will be ups and there will be downs. But if you buckle up, hold on tight, and focus on the long term, you'll come out of it just fine. And hey, if you're still feeling lost, don't worry. This is a conversation, not a lecture. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what your market strategies are. Let's learn from each other and navigate this crazy world of finance together. And remember, stay tuned for real-time updates. You don't want to miss out on the next big thing, do you?